What is going on, YouTube Nation? This is Darth Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. So I'm switching it up a little bit. I have not done this in a long time. Way before, like, I did my affiliate marketing account, and I was trying to figure out what my really strong niche would be. I had a name GB Merce, and I was big into nursing and stuff. And I like Invicta watches, so I would always post Instagram stories with Venom Friday. So I got Venom here and the Invicta Venom watch right here. So I haven't done this in a while, so it's fun to do this again with Invicta Venom Friday. I mean, I'm a big Invicta watch fan, and it's fun to I get compliments all the time, but I really like the faces on the watch. My rule is kind of like 50 millimeters or above. I mean, I got a ton of them. I got like two of these. Here's my two work watches right here. So, it's, I like Invicta watches. I'm kind of a fan. It's nice to, it's a nice hobby, collect watches. But it's time to talk about dividend stocks. These are the things that I like because put money in them, start getting dividend increases. So I got three high yield dividend stocks to buy. They're less than $20. And you guys have been fantastic on this channel. Make sure you smash that like button and make sure you hit that notification bell again so you don't miss future videos. Next week, actually starting Saturday, I'm going to start pumping out 4 videos a week, so make sure you keep an eye on my channel because I am busy with graduate school, and now I'm in like turbocharge mode, getting ready for the semester and everything. It's starting to kick up a notch, starting to go a lot faster, so I need to really get get the ball rolling and set the tone fast. So let's check this out right now. First stock is Brandywine Realty Trust. They have a 5.35 dividend yield, a PE ratio 8.10, volume of 1.90, market cap of 20.39 billion. The year range is 855 to 1517. If you got the dip, kudos to you guys. So a lot of people are like, who are these guys? I've heard of this before. I'm going to show you what these guys are about and show you their dividend increases real quick. So really interesting stock. Let's check this out. They're organized as a real estate investment trust who own, develop, lease, and manage low urban town center transit-oriented portfolio. So more than 25 years, our commitment to innovation, integrity, quality, and community has translated into not only business success, but also healthier and more vibrant communities. So since our founding in 1994 by our president and CEO, Jerry Sweeney, Brandywine has grown from 200,000 square feet and a total market capitalization of less than $5 million to over 24 million square feet, total market capitalization approximately $5 billion. So leadership, we challenge every member of our team to lead with strength, humility, and integrity. So what are these guys about? So we mix inspired indoor and outdoor environments, prioritize health and productivity in both businesses and in life. Our footprint has more than 224 million square feet and spans from Greater Philadelphia to Washington, D.C. and Austin, Texas. Okay. What do they got? West Elm Street. Here's a building. Here's a 100 Berwyn Park, West Elm Street, 1050 West Lakes Drive. So these are the type of buildings that they have and their property. So I like the way that their tenants are. I mean, this looks like this is pretty stable based on what they carry. And let's just do San Antonio, just an example. Do 2 of these. 155. These are actually really beautiful buildings. Wow, very modernized. I really like this. It's just some of them. Market Street, Berwyn Park. These are really nice buildings. So these are their properties, and here's their anemones. This is the stuff that they carry. So that's really interesting what they have in here. So very, very interesting with the things that they are designed for. So it appears, pandemic took a little bit of a hit. Then it slowly recovered. And how are they doing with their dividends? We need to know what they're doing with their dividend history. So very slowly, 2013, 15 cents, 2017, 16, 18, 19, PE ratio 8.11, dividend yield of 5.43, $14.20. We got ourselves a pretty good deal. Annual dividend of 76 cents. I like the way this looks. This is actually very interesting. I did add Arbor Realty Trust back to my M1 Finance dividend portfolio. Maybe it's time to just leave Arbor back to E-Trade and just put this one in my Super Rate and M1 Finance. There's a lot of, this is very interesting. Maybe I should just have it separate. I like this. It's cheap. It has increased its dividend, a 5.43% dividend yield. You bet your ass this is on my radar. Let's check the next dividend stock. And here's another one that I own, Physicians Realty Trust. It's sitting at $18.31, 5.02% dividend yield, a PE ratio of 56.29. Not bad. Year range 1648 to 2013. So it was founded in 2013. What are these guys about? Let's take a guess. It's a medical property trust, medical real estate investment trust. Let's check this out. Look at the name of their website, Doc Rate. I like it. So what are these guys about? I'm just looking at this. Experience in healthcare. Healthcare real estate experts with something unique to offer. Experience in healthcare. Let's check it out. So here's what these guys have. So here's just some buildings they have. Medical buildings. They have, looks like this is a single tenant, looks like a medical building. Docs United ASC single tenant. Rockwell Mob. Northside Medical Midtown. That's a beautiful building. HMG Medical Plaza. So these are single tenant and multi-tenant buildings, and they're not going anywhere. Lee's Hill Medical Plaza, multi-tenant. Gwinnett Physician Center, multi-tenant. So you're seeing what they got. Texas Surgical Center, Park and Mob, ASC. So these are medical buildings. These are pandemic proof. These are recession proof because people need to see their physicians. And these are very strong real estate investment trusts that have a very strong portfolio. And I'm going to show you their dividend history. I got 22 cents, 23. So it's sitting at 23. PE ratio 59.06, dividend yield of 5.01%, annual dividend of 92 cents. So that's not a bad real estate investment trust. It is cheap. It has slowly increased its dividend over time. This appears to be a pandemic-proof and recession-proof stock. By the way, there is a really strong dividend increase I want to let you guys know that's out there. This is a stock that a lot of us own. I know I do own Doc, but what about this dividend stock? This has nothing to do with this, but I just wanted to let you guys know on the news of it. So this is some great news. Altria increases quarterly dividend by 4.7 cents to 90 cents per share. So I just want to bring that up to you guys. The previous one was 86 cents per share, and now it's 90 per share. Very nice dividend stock. Again, people are going to smoke. They don't care. There's a correlation between Altria smoking and a lot of these healthcare rates because people come there. So this is the 56th dividend increase in the past 52 years. Kudos, Altria. Let's jump to the next dividends. This next stock is Bluerock Residential Growth REIT Inc. Class A. So who are these guys? It has a 5.89% dividend yield. Very interesting. What is about these guys? The year range of 683 to 1305. I'm a little weary. I'm looking at it and I'm very curious as to why, I looked into this one and actually be shocked at how these guys are doing as a company and as a stock. So we'll go a little bit into the nitty and gritty on this one because you see right here, 17.73%. We need to know a little bit about these guys first before we have interest in them. Let's check it out. The publicly listed real estate investment trust that focuses on acquiring a diversified portfolio of Class A institutional quality apartment properties in demographically attractive growth markets to appeal to the renter by choice. The company's objective is to generate value through off-market relationship-based transactions at the asset level through improvements in operations and properties. Company generally invests with strategic regional partners, including some of the best regarded private owner-operators in the United States. So let's check them out. Okay, so the Atrium Metro West, this looks like a attractive one. Atrium Hunters Creek, Glen Ridge. Look at these places. You know that these guys are probably occupied. Chevy Chase, Belmont Crossing, Harrington at Perimeter Park. So these are, I'm assuming these are actively popping. Element in Las Vegas, Denham. Guys got to be popping right now. So this is really interesting with these, with this real estate investment trust. how are they doing is with their dividend growth. So they're in their dividend growth history. This is what makes things really interesting. We got 9 cents, 16 cents, dividend yield of 5.71%, annual dividend of 65 cents, 1104. That is pretty attractive. 5.71% dividend yield, and they're increasing their dividend over time, which is pretty attractive. And I just find it very interesting. I found this one and I'm like, ooh, I got to show you guys this one with this stock. And I got one more for a bonus stock. I'm sure you guys know which one it is because I made a post about it and I bought this today. So let's check this out. And that stock is Huntington Bank shares. This is a bank stock, 3.83% dividend yield, a PE ratio 16.17. And as I showed you in previous videos, their revenue has slowly increased. They did pretty well with the pandemic, and they survived a strong recession, a very brutal recession at that time, and they have slowly recovered. And their dividends have done very well, which I'll show you their dividend history right now. 4 cents, 5 cents, 6, 7, 8, 11, 14, 15. Hopefully it'll be 16 soon. PE ratio 11.02, dividend yield of 3.83%, annual dividend of 60 cents. Hopefully it increases, and then we can say we got a nice raise. $15.65. Let me know what you think of this video. And again, if you are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. I have my affiliate link on my comment section. So you see the Amazon link. It's Money by Ramey. I'm not telling you to buy Money by Ramey. If you're interested, great. But once you click that link, there's going to be a search in the search bar in there. So what I'm asking you to do, I'm not asking you to buy anything, but you guys are talking about giving me tips and stuff. Click that. I will demonstrate it to you guys tomorrow what you can do. You just click that link. Okay, and if you feel like if you're going to buy something, say like toilet paper or protein shake, go on there, do it. Just do me a favor. I get a small commission. It helps fund the site. You're just buying things you normally do, and I just get a little bit of credit for it because it's my affiliate link. But you're not going out of your way to buy something. It's not like I'm telling you to buy Girl Scout cookies. I'm just asking you to click that affiliate link. And if you're going to buy something from Amazon, just go on there, click the link, search whatever you need, a toy or something for Christmas or something like that, or a gift or whatever you plan on sending, or renting a book or clothes. Just use that affiliate link, and that would help fund the site. I'm not asking you for tips. If you can just use that affiliate link to just buy whatever you normally buy, and just click my link. That's all I'm asking for. And thank you guys so much. You guys have been fantastic, and you guys have a good Friday.